Hi, in this video we're going to change the subject to the formula where the subject appears more than once. And just as a reminder, if we want to make x the subject of this formula, it means we want to have a single x on one side of the equation. So x equals and then something that's not in terms of x. Now, the way we do it is this. Step one is to isolate the subject on one side of the equation. Now, that's already the case in this particular question because we can see all the x terms are on the left-hand side of the equation and there's no x terms on the right-hand side of the equation. So step one is already done for us. Now, step two is to factorize out the subject. So on the left-hand side here, we want to factorize out this x, the subject. So let's do that. We're going to put an x, open a bracket, and then we think x multiplied by what is ax? Well, it's just a. And x multiplied by what gives you the 2xy? Well, it's plus 2y. So we have that. And then the final step, step three, is to divide appropriately. Because now, what's good about this form is that I've only got a single x now. So it's easier to get x as a subject, to get x on its own. You can see the x has been multiplied by this whole bracket of a plus 2y. So therefore, you just need to divide both sides of the equation by this a plus 2y to get the x on its own. So we're going to have x is equal to k divided by all of that a plus 2y. And you can see we're now done because we've got x on one side of the equation only with the x on its own.